First, we have cat-cow. Cat-cow is a great movement to start your day or your workout. This complete back stretch moves between spinal flexion and extension in all 3 spine segments. Take your time as you progress from flexion to extension. Then we have T-spine rotations. Unlock your upper back by rotating 180 degrees to add movement through the thoracic spine. T-spine rotations from a kneeling position helps to start loosen up the hips with every rotation. Connecting breath to movement is crucial to allow the muscles to let go. Then we have inchworms. Decrease muscle tension in the hamstrings by adding this compound stretch. This movement dynamically stretches the hamstrings through a hip hinge. Walking out into a high plank activates core muscles, which allow the stretch receptors in the posterior chain to relax, allowing for a deeper stretch. Progress this movement as you grow more mobile and stronger with a push-up or a plank hold. Then we have world's greatest stretch with rotation. This one movement stretches all the major muscle groups in the entire body. It's suited for any fitness level, and this movement can be adjusted to target any tight areas. Add a T-spine rotation to further stretch and quickly feel the difference in your body. Then we have world's greatest stretch into a hamstring hold. Another reason why this posture is called the world's greatest stretch is because additional positions can be held. You can hit all 3 hamstring muscles exactly where you need some love, positioning your knee accordingly to change the stretch focus to your needs. A half kneeling stretch with an overhead single arm reach. This movement helps combat the effects of sitting by lengthening and engaging your hip flexor and glute muscles. Contracting the glute muscles of the kneeling leg help relax the hip flexor muscles in the front of your body. Then we have the kneeling adductor stretch. Send some love to your adductor muscles by gently rocking in and out of this deep stretch. Careful not to stretch too deep at first as you explore what part of your muscles need mobility. This often overlooked stretch may be what you need to help reduce knee and back pain. Next, we have the supine arm reach. Get moving at the shoulder and engage your mid-back muscles. Bringing your arms overhead helps maintain this important movement and combat shoulder pain. Like the inchworm, by contracting the core and mid-upper back muscles, the shoulder joint will move more freely. Then we have a pigeon stretch. Externally rotate the hip and feel a stretch sensation like no other. This movement meets you exactly where your flexibility currently is. Adding length to these deep hip muscles can help reduce back pain by releasing tension. Last, we have side-laying T-spine rotations. The side-laying rotation helps open up the entire body. Bringing your knees to your chest and your low back stable will allow the movement to come from the thoracic spine. Linking breath to movement with each rep allows you to rotate a little bit further each time. Feel the stretch additionally in your shoulder, chest, and even bicep.